You've heard the saying, in a galaxy far, far away. Well, today I hope to bring that galaxy right to my studios. I want to attempt for the first time ever to make a galaxy UV resin pendant. So you gotta tell me if I nail it or fail it.
The force is strong in this one.
What's going on, my fellow jewelers? You know I love these videos where I don't even practice. Usually I practice my tutorials, I try it before I teach you, but in this case, I've never done this before and I wanna do it right in front of you for the very first time. We're gonna see if I can actually execute it today, so you gotta let me know. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, but let's try this thing right here and right now. All right, so the first thing I wanna do is I wanna color my resin. I have 4 colors I'm choosing. I have my black, I have my blue, I have a purple, and I have a pink, all kind of dark colors. Black is risky when it comes to UV resin because if you color your UV resin too dark, with any color too dark, the light won't penetrate. And so black, I wanna make sure that you can tell it's black, but I can't have it too dark or else it'll come out sticky and it'll never cure properly. So we'll see about that. So we're going to just color our resin. I'm gonna do this and fast forward for you. So I love the colors. I feel like these are galaxy colors. Yay, I picked the right colors for this. We're gonna put these aside. I need gloves back on. Oh, geez. I'm having a hard time today. But before I get my gloves back on, I wanna put my tape on. I feel like when I have gloves and tape, they just stick together. So I always take my gloves off for my tape. So I'm just gonna open it up. I'm just going to cut it for this. I actually have enough probably for like 4 of these if this goes right. So I might do that after the video is done. So I'm just gonna fold it over. The reason I fold it over is that I want a place for my finger to hold it down because it likes to wiggle around. I'm gonna put my pendant down. I'm going to have my finger go over the whole bezel so I know that it's stuck properly to the tape. I'm gonna do my first layer of black. I think I'm gonna go black. I think that's a good base, and then we can put the color on. I am nervous because I did color it too much. I am nervous that it's not gonna penetrate properly, that's gonna stay sticky. Oh yeah, it's so dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little, you can do this, you can add a little bit more UV, put on there, and I'm going to spread it around. Oh, it's so dark. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. If I do a really thin layer, maybe we can make it penetrate through. If not, we're gonna have to start over. Keep adding UV because I want it to cure properly. Question below, what colors would you use for making a galaxy pendant? What colors? Would you use these colors? Would you use different colors? Like, tell me in the comments below what colors you would use for a galaxy pendant. I'm going to cure it. So when I cure, I gotta make sure I don't shine the light on these guys because I don't want these to harden. So I'm gonna really push these aside and make sure that I don't get the light over there on them because I don't want those to dry. So I'm gonna do it possibly for 60 seconds, could be longer on both sides. And we're just gonna hope that I didn't darken it too much. Y'all, guess what? It did dry, harden, cure properly. Oh my goodness. It cured properly. Oh my gosh, it's hard. So we're gonna do probably another quick layer of black. And then we're gonna go to color. We're gonna go to the pinks and the blues and the purples. Ooh! Okay. Ooh, looking good. So I think I want to put the colors on all sides and then kind of swirl it together. I have this inspiration. This is my phone case. And I have this inspiration, right? Like, I think this is really pretty and it does it justice, right? And so there's line here, line here, line here, and we'll just, I don't know, maybe we'll try that. I don't know. This is the hard part. This is the part where I'm like, how do I make it look more like the galaxy than just colors spread on a, I don't know. Okay, we're just trying it out because I think these are pretty galaxy colors. And how do I make the black kind of fade in? I don't know, so many questions. No answers. Y'all aren't answering me. You probably are, I can't hear you. You know how you talk to people on the TV? I mean, does that look like the galaxy? I don't know. I don't know. I need your opinion. I wish you could talk to me. I wish I was doing this live. I should have done this live because I have no idea what I'm actually doing. I guess that's the first time attempt, right? This is all first time. Just kind of want to like swirl it. I don't know. Swirl it together. It's pretty. I want to flash dry it because I think that's really pretty. I think that's really pretty. Okay. So I'm going to flash dry it. I'm like, does it look like the gal? It does? Does it? Does it just look like swirls? You gotta tell me what you think. I think it looks really pretty. I want to flash dry it because I don't want it completely hardened. I don't want it completely cured because I want to put some glitter on it. I think glitter is gonna make it pop, and then I will cure it properly from there. And then I have another trick up my sleeve to make it look like a little bit more galaxy, and we're gonna see. All right, I'm liking it. I'm really like, look at that. It looks pretty. I'm glad I added the black around it so it wasn't like, so the black kind of swirled in with the other color. I'm excited that I did that. I have these. I'm a little nervous, right? Because it looks really pretty. I have chunky or fine. I think I'm gonna do fine. Yes. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes. What do you think about the, oh, we just had a little bit of pop, didn't we? This is so fun. I'm so enjoying this. I'm glad I didn't go with the chunky. I have these chunky ones. Oh my gosh. I am making a mess today. Oh my gosh. Okay. I do like it. I do. Okay. I'm going to cure it all the way. I like it so, I love it. I really do love it. I don't know about this next step. So I've seen people with galaxy things take some white paint, put it on their brush and flick their brush, like they flick it. And it makes it look like the stars, right? Like it kind of gives like a white pop. But I like this so much. I don't know if I want to do it. What if I ruin it? This is the turmoil you do when you're doing things for the first time. Do I do it? Do I not do it? So I'm just getting some, I really don't want a lot. I'm gonna try to flick it. That didn't do flicking. That didn't flick at all. It's not flicking. People may look so easy. It's not flicking. Have you ever flicked? If you flick, comment below and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Have you flicked? Have you flicked? I'm flicking. Nothing's happening. Am I flicking the wrong way? Oh my gosh, I can't flick to save my life right now. Nope, I got one little guy. Ooh, and it's pretty. Ooh, I kind of like that, but I don't know how to get other little guys on there. I got a different brush, a stiffer brush. We're gonna try this. Yes, I'm flicking. You see me? Oh, it's a little too big. Okay, I got a rag. Actually, the spots left behind. The spots left behind? I like it. Oh my gosh. I'm okay, really. The big spots I didn't like, but I do like the little spots left behind. It gives it character. Okay. I probably won't flick again because I'm not really good at it. But I think now I'm just gonna put a clear top layer to make it pop. Okay, we're doing it. That white one was kind of the wrong direction, but hey, I think we saved it. Oh, I like it. Oh, yeah, okay. We're just gonna spread it out. It's pretty indented, like it's kind of like cup like that. So I'm gonna need a lot more, but I think it looks like the galaxy. It really does. It really does. Okay. It's so pretty. Okay, we're going to cure it and then take it off the tape and go from there. This has been so fun. I've had fun with you, even though I can't hear you. I wish I could hear you because I'm dying for your comments. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. It looks like the galaxy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, I am so excited about it. It looks like the galaxy. I mean, you don't have to tell. I feel like I nailed it, but you tell me you're like, Des, you failed it. Like that was the worst. Or you're like, no, Des, no. First attempt, you did your thing. You did it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really do love it. Like, I think it's so pretty. The colors are great. I do like the glitter. I really like it. And then my fellow jewelers, this is my first attempt at ever doing a galaxy UV resin pendant. It's the end of my video. And for those that have been around the block with me a couple times, you know at the end of my video, I pray for my viewers. And I know we've talked about today about a galaxy far, far, far away. But the Lord wants you to know that he's super close. He is so close. Like, he is right there. And that in the Bible, it says that he'll never leave you nor forsake you. You've never been forsaken. Though people may forsake, your parents may forsake you, though you may have been broken up, someone may have broken your heart, like whatever, like God has never left you. And he never will in this lifetime, right? He never will. He is so close. He's not a God that made you and that just dropped you off and just said, all right, see you on the other side. No, he's not like that. He wants to walk through everyday life with you. He wants to hold your hands through the hard times, laugh with you through the good times, and be there every moment, every day. Like, he is that good and he is that close. Like, you know, when you try to call somebody in the middle of the night, but they're not there or they're not awake, like God is there. He is there when you wake up in the middle of the night and you don't know what to do and you don't know how to slow your thoughts or you don't know what tomorrow's going to hold. Like, he is right there. And so I just want to pray that you would feel him, that he would feel so close to you that you would start to recognize it, but he is right there, whether you feel him or not. So God, I thank you that you're not a far, far, far away God, that you are close and that you never leave us. You never forsake us, not for a moment, not for an instant, not even when we make the biggest mistake of our lives. Not even when we do make the best decision, God. You don't change your distance according to our behavior or the words we speak. You are right there. And so, Lord, I just thank you. You're so good. May my viewers know this with all their heart, mind, soul, and strength. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I had so much fun with you. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I love making galaxy. I think I'm gonna make a lot of them now. Make a lot of galaxy pendants. All right, guys, make sure that you check out my next video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.